Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of the WOLFBOX MF200. This is their latest and greatest blower. The last WOLFBOX I reviewed was one of the more powerful ones I reviewed, so I'm excited to try this one out. Right off the bat, I've got some leaves in my garage. Let's see how this will do for the leaves. So as you can see, if you don't want to fire up the blower to just do some small blowing tasks, that's where one of these things comes in so handy. Let me show you another thing that I do with mine, is that we have this little entryway mat that constantly is getting stuff in it and looks bad. I'll use this to clean it off. And it's not going to get everything, but it certainly gets a lot. The WOLFBOX also comes with a couple different blower attachments here. As you can see, you've got a thin point, a long extender point, and then a kind of vacuum type nozzle. So comes with a few nozzles. Right here you've got a brush kit, a storage bag, and a charging cable. They also sell replacement batteries too. So if you want a replacement battery, be sure to grab one of those too and check it out, guys. Hey guys, let's test out the airspeed of the WOLFBOX MF200. So you can see here, this is where you drop the mag, but my mag's got 2 out of 4. So let's try it out. 4,800 from that distance is by far the fastest blower I've ever tested. So this thing, even on half battery, is the best portable blower power turbofan on Amazon, no doubt about it. Show you how easy it is to switch in a fresh battery on your WOLFBOX MF200. Just pop it out right here. It's like a typical mag drop, and then slap in the new one, turn it on. Boom. You're immediately ready to blow with the fastest blower on Amazon. Check it out.